Welcome back, my YouTube congrats. Oleg here, and I hope you have a fantastic day, evening, or night, wherever or whenever you're watching this video. I wanted to talk to you about today is one question that slowed the heck out of my process when I first started client video work. And that is it a good time to start? Or actually, there's a couple of questions. Do I have everything I need to start working with clients? So I wanted to talk to you about all this and put all those questions to rest and help you make that first step, which is the hardest out of everything to just do. Just get up and do. Because in any possible situation where you're starting either videography business or sports or something else, or just teaching business, whatever it is that you start, you have to practice it. For example, like for me, I had to practice the heck out of speaking in front of the camera. I was just stuttering, I was just stopping and just middle of the sentence, like just right now what I did. I just stuttered, and that just come with practice. I'm not saying that I'm just the best in the world speaking in front of the camera, but I got a little bit of more confidence, and actual practice gave me a boost and made me better. So no matter what you do, you have to practice it. So just a simple example. When I first started, I asked some of my friends, I asked whoever I know, saying, guys, girls, can I please shoot something for you? I didn't touch like weddings, because wedding is something really big. You don't want to jack something up in the beginning stages of wedding. Wedding something that is very, very important to those people, and you should not start practicing with wedding videography or photography. But nonetheless, any kind of like birthdays, events, some sort of corporates, bring your camera, ask to shoot for free, and practice. When you do that practicing over and over and over again, even if you do it on a cell phone or GoPro, whatever it might be in your hands at that time, if you know that device inside out and you do everything and you know when you need to shoot, what light is going to be used to actually create that great picture, then you can get to the next level. I've seen so many people just jump into the conclusions, okay, I need the biggest camera, the baddest camera, the most expensive camera, so I'm going to go get a loan and just get that camera. So yeah, you of course going to come out into the client's work and you're going to be with this big old camera, really nice rig, everything, lights, audio, mics and everything, but you will not know all the ins and outs of that device, and you will not produce the top quality content. And the reason for that is that you jump those steps. That's the beauty of that life/role-playing game, where you actually start from the zero and building up slowly but steady, and you see that progress. Everything's gonna become easier for you. Everything just gonna be making sense when you're gonna be shooting video work for clients, and clients gonna be so happy. You cannot believe how many times I would just show up to client work and I had, believe it or not, cell phone. I had cell phone on a little gorilla stick or gorilla tripod or whatever they call them. But I was coming out and shooting some videos. I was super confident that I can make something awesome out of that footage. So after I captured all this footage, clients were just like, oh God, I mean, this guy is not, he doesn't know what he's doing. I'm pretty sure the footage is gonna be just crap. Everything's gonna be horrible. But when you do impress them with the final product, they would be surprised. They'd be like, what? How in the world that dude came out with that phone camera or that GoPro, whatever it is, and made such a masterpiece? We love it. Oh, he's gonna be like on my wedding, he's gonna be shooting this, he's gonna be shooting that, and that's when you're obviously gonna be charging everybody. But you have to understand, it's better to start small and then go big. Even when I saved up some money to get some better equipment, better camera, audio, everything, I wanted to be as minimalistic as possible. I wanted to fit in one bag, so it's gonna be compact, easy to use, fast, on the go, run and gun style. I wanted to get from client to client to client, get that job done, deliver the footage, deliver the product, get paid, move on to the next one. And you cannot believe how many times I show up on the shoot and they're like, hey buddy, where's your crew? Where's your production company van? I said, hey, everything is in my backpack. I don't need nothing else. So they just laughed. They're like, what are you talking about? Really? That's what you're working with? I said, yeah, that's exactly. And when you do answer that with confidence, then you just put them on the spot and they just like, okay, I'm backing up. So don't let anybody know that you're not confident about something. If you do approach something, you have to be professional about it. Of course, don't be rude. Nobody, I promise you, nobody would want to work with a jerk. Nobody. They will pay more and work with somebody who's professional and just nice and pleasant to work with versus somebody who's like, yo, I know everything. Just move aside or do this or do that. No, just be polite as possible and let your work speak for you. When you do show the client your work that you did with just that one backpack or cell phone, and when you hear them like, whoa, oh my gosh, this is awesome. When you hear those words, that's the most pleasant sound that the customer can make. As you being a creative person, that's like the reward for what you've done. When you do create something amazing, people will not only share your work, but they will proudly refer you to other clients, and then you're gonna be on the roll. Then you will have to have some help helping you out. Some other guys or girls will be working for you, and on, and your business is gonna be growing rapidly. Of course, there will be time where you get in your career that you will charge, six-figure production just even by yourself. I know plenty of people of my acquaintances that actually working and they making $3,000-$5,000 per like short video for Instagram or Facebook or whatever, just social media advertisement, and they can get some extra cash if they know the craft of social media marketing, the digital marketing. So if they actually can produce a video and help them post it online on their website or on their Facebook page or Instagram, you can get some extra cash, so you can always upsell the client. And that's the earn money for your true work. And that's all comes with practice. No skill is being mastered to the point that you can get amazing work done without repetition, without practice. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. There's no such thing as the best time to start. The best time is now. There's no such thing as the best camera or equipment. The best camera and equipment, you have it on hand. So go ahead and just go create something and do it over and over again until you master that skill to the point where wherever you create is gonna be a masterpiece. And your friends, your family members, everybody's gonna be loving it, and clients where you're gonna get tons of checks and you're gonna be happy. And I'm sure you wanna be happy doing whatever you love and passionate about, make money off of it, and live your dream. Thank you so much for watching. Hope if this video was helpful and motivational for you. Again, like it or hate it, subscribe it or not, but always remember to stay awesome, and I will see you in the next video. See ya. Rising stories with video. All right, guys, I want to leave you with this. Do not. Okay, good. At home or at office or whatever, on hand. Yo. Stop. Burp. Stop. Simple things that you got on hand will be delete.